Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss the best YouTube channels or websites or apps from where you can study or learn various skills from in today's world. So these websites are all my personal choice and I have used them and then I am recommending it to you. So in today's age, the skills which an IT professional or student should learn are basic programming skills like Python, be it Java or any basic programming language, but you should be very perfect with it. Next is web development. So it includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc. The third skill is communication skill. Communication skills are actually required in each and every sector nowadays. Like the people who talk are the people who actually progress. So if you want to study any of these skills, today we are going to discuss the best YouTube channels or apps to study these skills. So these are my personal recommendations. I have used them. So first we are going to discuss some YouTube channels which are very good for learning all the skills or other skills which you want. So first for learning various programming languages like Python, C, etc. But the first YouTube channel which I would recommend to you is CS50. So it is actually a YouTube channel which is started by the guys at Harvard. So if you want to study any programming skills like Python, C, this is the best channel I would say. Like the professor here, David J. Mullen, is actually a very good professor. He teaches Python, Java very excellently. Like I have personally seen his videos and they are just amazing and intuitive. Next, if you want to study Swift UI app development, like Swift is generally the programming language which is used for development in iOS and for Apple ecosystem. So if you want to study that, I will recommend you CS 193p. So this is actually a YouTube channel of Stanford University. They have actually very well thought the Swift UI, particularly for developing apps for Apple ecosystem. So for that I will recommend you this channel. Next, if you want to prepare for GATE or any other exams, or if you are studying for Mumbai University semester exams, then I will recommend you two channels. The first one is GATE Smashers. Many of you might have heard about this channel already. So he has actually very well thought all the important subjects which are for GATE preparation as well as theory paper of Mumbai University, be it of any sim. I have personally seen all his videos and they are actually pretty good. The next channel which I would recommend is Jenny Lecturers. So this is actually so Jenny ma'am actually teaches very well all the subjects, particularly of computer science and IT background. So be it data structures or database management, she has taken various lectures and they are very good. So these are particularly for Mumbai University exams if you want to prepare for them. Now next we'll come to websites which are very good for learning programming as well as other skills. So the first website which I will recommend to you is w3schools.com. It is a pretty good website if you want to study any of the programming skills like HTML, CSS, Java, Python, C, C++. This is an excellent website. It covers all from very basics till the high-end stuff with examples, and you can actually try it out yourself. The next website which I would recommend you is Stack Overflow. Yes, it is a website name. So if you have any doubt or you're not able to solve a particular problem, you can just search all your questions and doubts here, and there are actually excellent solutions for every problem on this website. So you can check it out. The next two websites I would say if you want some theory information or basic programming is Geek for Geeks. And similar to this, there is another website called as Java, T-Point. So these are particularly the two websites which I actually used for preparing for the Mumbai University exams, like basic theory questions. You can find the solutions of your questions on these two websites. Now we'll come to basic applications which are actually good for learning these basic skills. So third, we'll move on to applications. So there are many good applications like Coursera, Udemy, etc. There are actually pretty good courses on all two of these platforms, but as you know, these are paid platforms and you have to actually pay for the course, or you can buy their subscriptions. But personally, the app which I used for learning skills is actually Skillshare. They have not sponsored any of this, okay? These are all my personal opinions. So I have personally used Skillshare. First, because they had actually a 30-day free trial, which is actually still running. So that is actually very good part of Skillshare. So you can actually access all the courses as well as certificates for free on Skillshare. So I've actually taken 1 month free subscription and I'm still learning some courses on Skillshare only. So under Skillshare, I would recommend you some of the good professors. Like for web development, I would recommend you to watch courses or see courses of Daniel Scott. So he has actually covered from all basics of web development like HTML, CSS and basic of Bootstrap. JavaScript he has not covered. So you will find only HTML, CSS and some basics of Bootstrap. And if you also want to learn Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator or web design, he has actually covered all those topics as well. And according to me, he has taught very well all these topics. Like I have personally learned all the HTML, CSS from his courses only. The next professor which I would recommend to you is Alvin Van. So if you want to study all the basic concepts of like how ChatGPT works or data structures for interviews, or you have to study Python, then I would recommend you to watch his courses. He have actually taught very well, I would say. And you can check out other courses also on these platforms. They are very good. So that's it, guys. This all are my personal opinions and I have used all of them for my personal studies as well as learning all the skills. So if you have any better websites or you have your own opinion, you can let me know in the comment section down below. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will meet you in the next video.